Today, I am committed to all my friends. I will definitely deliver in a daily way that what exactly at the present time in India that major issues with regarding a political, social issue, environment and economy. There are so many aspects I will cover in this series. Apart from, there are many people they want to speak English, but you are not able to speak in a better way. Second thing is that you have no idea that how to speak. The English language, it is a very simple language. It is not a barrier for you, but the people of India, they make it difficult. This language is very difficult. We are belongs to rural area. Our education's background, it was very weak, and the medium was Hindi. How the barrier start from this stage? So everyone be like, yes, if you are belongs to middle class family and yours education's background it was very bad. Bad means you could not study in your primary education. Then your graduations also Hindi medium and government college. Now this all excuse that are given by all rural students. Even I want to make sure to all my audience, if you are belongs to city and your education background was well and your English medium schools and there are so many things which was completed during your education, but still you are suffered. Now the question is that the people of India, those are the people who are living at the village area, they always exclaim themselves that my education background it was from rural area. Now how I can speak English, how I can compare with other people. Now this is false information, guys. If you are belongs to rural area, now your education background was Hindi medium, that means you cannot claim themselves that yes, I cannot speak in English. No, this excuse that is given by yourself. But one day, please, one day you will be decide, I will be speak English, I can speak English, I will be start. This decision, if you will be decide and target, you will be decide a day from start to end. Now this target will be achieved within the 2 months, but the guidance and strategy and practice, this pillar that will definitely help you. But the people is that they are claiming that how we are all grammar, we have lots of online courses I have completed, but still I am struggling. And some people, they are all have made their own notes, but they are unable to speak in English. The reason is that everyone be like they want to explore like, yes, I will be explain each and everything, and they try to speak like high level of English speak. That will not possible, guys, because you are beginner and your education background it was Hindi, and now you will be jump from start to high level, that will be very difficult, because I realize and I feel like and I face this all of problem. Right now I am step by step I have crossed, therefore I can easily to speak in English. So right now, if you have sure, now you have decided I can speak English, but I don't have right strategy, I have not proper plan, that means you are misguiding guys. The journey of the spoken English, it will be takes time. I'm very sure, because when I started to speak in English in year of 2021, and it was my background, I cannot explain, but I know, guys, the problem is that sort of unity, sort of your own motivation. When you will be decide I will be speaking English, nobody can change. If you are decided that I will be become spoker, English speaker, okay, but the problem is that how to speak in English, how to speak fast. There are so many people who are teaching in social media applications, you are buying courses, but still you are unable to speak English. The reason is that I have solution, guys. There is some strategic way, plan based. I will be prepared your timetable. You will be complete your tasks only 1 month, step by step. I will challenge to all aspirants. You can complete within the 2-month high level of English. This is my strategy. But it is not false information, guys. I have practically implement this problem. Actually, I had lots of the problem, but problem if you are facing, that means you are misguided. Now we have to decide what to do. We have to decide. Why I cannot speak in English? Raise your questions, think, and start to why I cannot speak in English. If you think, for example, you are a beginner, now you have to dream. You have a dream that one day I will become a fluent English speaker. Now you have chosen your dream, that is a very deserved nation. But it is very difficult because some challenge, guys. We're struggling to achieve our goal, but immediately it will not possible. You need to struggle. Without this struggle, it will not possible to achieve your goal. Then what you will be doing? I will give some steps to everyone. If you are a beginner and you are very serious, now I will be become fluent English speaker. Your dream that you will be visit in a foreign, and that maybe when you will be go abroad, absolutely you need to debate what exactly going at that country. So there are so many aspects that will be you can be easy to debate, but instead it will not possible. You have to debate, but normal topic, simple topic, what exactly day-to-day life is going, like this way you